नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हैं? छुट्टियों के बाद हम मिल रहे हैं, है ना? छुट्टियां कैसे गई आपकी? बहुत मजे में? वाह, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। एंजॉय किया आपने? Have you all enjoyed your holidays? Yes, yes, very good. Be relaxed. Have you got a sufficient relaxation, isn't it? From online classes. Okay, very good, very good. Where you went? You went to your native? Good. टूरिज्म प्लेस गए थे क्या? कोरोना में टूरिज्म प्लेस खुला है क्या? ओह, बहुत अच्छा। ओके, मंदिर। देन और नानी के घर, दादा के घर। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा बच्चों। आपने, मुझे मालूम है कि आपने ये छुट्टियां बहुत आनंदिता से बिताया है, बहुत आनंद से बिताया। हैप्पी? ओके, so this is our second term going to start. We have completed the first term successfully within this corona period, है ना? सेकेंड टर्म में आप सब भगवान से प्रार्थना कर लीजिए कि स्कूल खुल जाए, है ना? बहुत बोर लग रहा है ना घर में। स्कूल खुले तो बच्चों के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, हम भी आप लोगों के साथ डांटना, है ना, गुस्सा करना, पढ़ाना, है ना, बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? Very good. Okay. Pratna, pray to God that school should reopen very soon. Okay. बहुत अच्छा बच्चों। अब हम सेकेंड टर्म का क्लासेस स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। मैंने ये लेसन आपको पहले से ही ले चुकी हूँ, क्योंकि उत्तराखंड लेसन आई हैव टेकन ऑलरेडी टू यू, बट दिस इज अ रिकैप ना। बहुत आप भूल गए होंगे, you could have forget all the lesson content. Okay, so I'm going to take this lesson once again very fastly like a recap, and then we'll go to the book back exercise of this lesson. ठीक है? तैयार हैं सब आप? बहुत अच्छा बच्चों, इंटरेस्टिंगली बैठ जाइए, सिट। ओके, चलें। कौन सा लेसन था हमारा? 6th लेसन, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is one of the state in our country, and it's a very beautiful country, very beautiful state of our country. Okay, उत्तराखंड का जरा सा हम रिकैप कर लेते हैं। देखिए, ये है हमारा इंडिया का मैप और यहाँ पर है उत्तराखंड, यहाँ पर है उत्तराखंड। और पुराणों के अनुसार उत्तराखंड को देवभूमि व तपोभूमि माना गया था। In the ancient period, this Uttarakhand is called as Devbhumi or Tapobhumi. Devbhumi means the land. Bhumi is a land. Bhumi is a land. Devbhumi means the land where the goddesses lived. Or Tapobhumi. Bhumi is again a land here. Tapo means meditation. The place where the rishis did the meditation is a tapobhumi. Uttarakhand is said to be as a devbhumi or the tapobhumi in our ancient period. Okay, पहले उत्तराखंड का नाम उत्तरांचल था और वह उत्तर भारत का राज्य था। Before that, this Uttarakhand is said to be as a Uttaranchal. Its name was a Uttaranchal, and it is situated in the north side of our country. Next, कई वर्षों के आंदोलन के पश्चात 9 नवंबर 2000 को भारत में 27वें राज्य बना। इस दिन को उत्तराखंड में स्थापना दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। Okay, during 9 नवंबर 2000 में this is called as a state. This said to be as a separate state, and this was the 27th state. 2009 नवंबर को इसे अलग स्टेट डिक्लेयर किया गया। Okay, this is declared as a one of the state of our country on 9th November 2000, 27th state of our India. इस दिन को उत्तराखंड में this day is celebrated as a स्थापना दिवस in Uttarakhand. This 9th November is celebrated as a Sthapna Divas in Uttarakhand. Okay, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट है ना, कितना ब्यूटीफुल है, बहुत सुंदर है ना, वाव. ओके, नेक्स्ट, सन 2000 से 2006 तक, 2000 से 2006 तक यह उत्तरांचल के नाम से जाना जाता था. टिल 2000 to 2006 this is called as, this state is named as a Uttaranchal. This state is named as Uttaranchal and it has been recognized as a Uttaranchal. लेकिन 1 जनवरी 207 में 2007 में इस राज्य का नाम उत्तराखंड रखा गया. On 1st January 2007 it has been named as Uttarakhand. It has been replaced, the name is replaced as a Uttarakhand. First, before that it was named as a Uttaranchal. After that 2007 it has been called as a Uttarakhand. उत्तर में तिब्बत, पूर्व में नेपाल, पश्चिम में हिमालय प्रदेश और दक्षिण में उत्तर प्रदेश की सीमा से जुड़ी हुई है. दिस उत्तराखंड इज, उत्तर में तिब्बत, इन नॉर्थ साइड इट इज, देयर इज अ बॉर्डर ऑफ तिब्बत, पूर्व में नेपाल, हियर दिस इज द बॉर्डर ऑफ द नेपाल, और पश्चिम में हिमाचल प्रदेश. एंड there was a Himachal Pradesh. Where is the Himachal Pradesh? Here. See, यहाँ पर हिमाचल प्रदेश है कि यहाँ, this is the border of the Himachal Pradesh and this is the border of a सीमा of the Tibet and this is the सीमा of the Nepal. Okay, यहाँ पर जुड़ी हुई है. और देखिए, इस राज्य में जिलों के आधार पर हिंदी के साथ साथ गढ़वाली और कुमाऊनी भाषा का प्रयोग है. Along with the language Hindi, most of the people speak Hindi over there. Along that, some people speak Gadwali also. Gadwali is also one of the language. Gadwali is one of the language, और कुमाऊनी is also one of the language. ठीक है, वहाँ के लोग हिंदी, गढ़वाली और कुमाऊनी भाषा बोलते हैं. उत्तराखंड में लोग हिंदी, गढ़वाली और कुमाऊनी भाषा बोलते हैं. द पीपल ऑफ उत्तराखंड स्पीक हिंदी, गढ़वाली एंड कुमाऊनी लैंग्वेज. और देखिए, 46,035 वर्ग किलोमीटर पर्वतीय क्षेत्र है. So this 46,035 किलोमीटर तक यहाँ पर पर्वतीय स्ट्रेट है. The mountain is covered this much of a place. 46,035 kilometer is covered with the mountain. 7,448 kilometer is covered with the land, Maidani Kshetra land, and 34,651 kilometer Bhubhang 1, the forest is covered with the forest. And हिमालय मंडल में तेंदुओं के बाग रहते हैं, तेंदुओं. ओके, देन हिमालय मंडल में, नियर द Himalayas forest there lives a tendua and bag. Tendua is also one of like a tiger. Okay, that tendua is cheetah. Like that it would be cheetah, like one more would be there, tendua. Like it would be looking like a cheetah only. Okay, tendua. Then next, गंगा नदी, यहाँ पर गंगा नदी बहती है. The two rivers, the main two rivers flows in the Uttarakhand. That is, one is the Ganga Nadi and one more is a Yamuna Nadi. These two are the main river flows in the Uttarakhand. And there are a tourism place, the very important and the holy tourism place. The sacred holy place is a Badrinath and the Kedarnath. These two are situated, these two are there in the Uttarakhand. It's a very sacred place, okay, Badrinath and Kedarnath. There is a story behind that. In my first class also I said that there is a story behind that. When the school will reopen, we will speak about this story, okay? Badrinath and the Kedarnath. And देहरादून उत्तराखंड की राजधानी होने के साथ साथ इस राज्य का सबसे बड़ा नगर भी है. देहरादून is the capital of this Uttarakhand and this is the very big city in this state. Deहरादून is a very big city in the Uttarakhand state and this is the capital of Uttarakhand. It's a very big state, no? Okay. राज्य सरकार ने यहाँ हथकरघा और हस्तशिल्प को बढ़ावा देने के लिए अनेक कार्य किए हैं. So the government of Uttarakhand, they have taken many steps forward to encourage the hatkargha. Hatkargha means the weaving. Hatkargha, hath means heart, the cloth which is weaved by the hand, isn't it? See this one. So this one they have supported a lot. They have given a lot of schemes to these to develop this hatkargha, weaving and the hastashilp, the statues or the things which is made by the hands, craft work. They have given a more importance to the weaving and the craft work and have many schemes to develop the weaving and the handcrafts things. Okay, the government of the Uttarakhand have a many scheme to bring development in these two field. और यहाँ पर है the very important thing is a Jim Corbett राष्ट्रीय उद्यान नैनीताल में है. So the Jim Corbett national Jim Corbett, the national forest, okay, the Jim Corbett is there in the Nainital. And फूलों की घाटियां राष्ट्रीय उद्यान नंदा देवी राष्ट्रीय उद्यान. फूलों की घाटी, this is said to be as a valley of flowers. See, the valley itself is filled with the flowers. Most of the valley would be filled with the forest or the trees or something green, some would be there, isn't it? Bushes, trees, forest, like it would be like forest. But there we have a valley, Rashtriya Udyan. This is also a national Nanda Devi Rashtriya Udyan, the national garden Nanda Devi. And it is fully filled with the colorful flowers. Okay, or Nanda Devi Rashtriya Udyan. Nanda Devi, ये है Nanda Devi Rashtriya Udyan garden where we can see many deers and some other animals also. और राजाजी राष्ट्रीय अभयारण्य हरिद्वार में है. This is in the Haridwar. This is as a Rajaji National Park and this is there in the Haridwar. Rajaji National Park. These are the very important places which are in the Uttarakhand. If you visit Uttarakhand, don't forget to go all these places. Visit to these places, would be very beautiful. And that too this valley, flower valley garden. So beautiful, है ना? You visit there. Then Govind Pashu Vihar. उत्तरकाशी जिले में है. This is in the district of the Uttarkashi. This is Govind Pashu Vihar. Pashu is a animal. Okay, the land of the animal. Then Gangotri Rashtriya Udyan Uttarkashi. This is also in Uttarkashi. Gangotri Rashtriya Udyan. Okay, bachcho. So don't forget to visit all these places. Would be a very beautiful places in the Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand is a land of a beauty, and if you go there, you can visit all the places which you have come to see in this slide. Okay, don't forget. And as we see the slide, if you imagine that you were there. Okay. Then this is the first part of our lessons. We have recapped the 6th lesson. We have done the 6th lesson already. Now we have taken the recap Now we are going to see the book back exercise. Okay, so इंतजार कीजिए,